Hello traders, I welcome you to Happy Traders Zone. So in this video we are going to analyze few stocks which gave the potential breakout. So based on the breakout we will be taking the entry and we will be making the profit in the upcoming days. And before get into this video, let me give our introduction about our Telegram channel as well as the YouTube channel. And our channel is Happy Traders Zone. So please do follow us on Telegram as well as in the YouTube channel. So we will be providing the live market updates and the entry points. Where I am taking the entry points, those entry points I will be sharing in the Telegram group. So it's a available in a free of course. So please get a join into it and make use of it, guys. So before getting into this video, we are not a SEBI registered analyst. We are just giving our interpretation. So before making any trading decisions, please kindly make your own analysis. So now come, let's get into this video. So we have been taken the first stock of IDFC First Bank. So this stock has been chosen for the swing trade as well as the long-term investment perspective, guys. So yeah, now here we have the IDFC First Bank, and if you see here we have a swing high, and here we have a ultimate next swing high, and finally here we have a one more rejection. So totally here we have some three to five rejections, and again here we have from here to here we have some four rejections, and again here we have one two. So totally four to five rejections we have on this purple color line, and finally we have the breakout on yesterday, and today I have been entered into this stock, guys, and I will be sharing why I have been entered. So this is the one reason. So the resistance line has been break out, and if you see here we having the huge volume. So comparing to the previous days, here we having the huge volume. So the volume is more than the so past a few days. So this is the moving average for volume. So based upon the previous days, so the volume was above the moving average, and it's the and this is the one of the reason. And the next reason is here we have the cup and handle kind of pattern. So if you see here, so here we having the cup and handle pattern, and based upon these two confirmations, I have been chosen the stock yesterday, and this morning I have been posted my entry points. So before the market opens, so I requested the members to get entered from 51 rupees point 50 paise, 51.52, so 53 rupees around, and I got entered at 52.80, somewhere 80 or the yeah, it's 52.80. And in the upcoming days, this what will happen is either tomorrow this will give the breakout above this 53, and it will give the rally till this level, guys, and this rally is going to happen in the upcoming days, not tomorrow itself, okay. So else it will take 1 or 2 days consolidation and finally give the breakout and it will get the rally. So this is what the thing. And regarding the target and stop loss, you can have the stop loss. So either the so stop loss, if you see here, we can have the stop loss of up to this level, or else if any 1 day candle close up below this level, you can exit from the trade. And regarding the target, you can have the 1:2 trade. So whatever the amount you have been keeping for stop loss, you can have two times of your risk, or else you can have the target of around 60 rupees, guys. So if you ask me further, the stock didn't go above 60, it will go. But based upon the story, what which candle and price action tells on the range of 60, we can conclude. So for now, you can have the target of around 60, and with it, and I hope it will be a 1:3 or 1:2 ratio, 1:2 risk reward targets. Yeah. So now let us move on to the next stock. So our next stock is on. So Karnataka Bank, if you see here, so Karnataka Bank, here we having the, let me move on to the weekly time frame. So this stock is purely for the investment as well as the so swing trade. So moreover than the swing trade, the investors can make the fortune out of this stock. If you see here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rejections, 8, 9 rejections, guys. So if any 1 day candle time frame has been closed above so 76 levels, so just close your eyes and you can make the long entry. with the target of around 3 months, 4 months. Why? Because I don't want to give the target in numericals. I would like to give the target in the course of duration. So till this point, you can wait and book your profit, guys. So this would be your yeah. So till 120. So it will be if you are taking entry at around 76 rupees. So you can make the you can exit at a level of 120, guys. So this will be a very good so investment click. And for the swing trade, let me move on to the daily time frame. So if we see in the daily time frame, here we have one triangle pattern formation. So higher the chances it take some tomorrow or day after tomorrow it's not going to give the breakout. So you can hold on for this week, but based upon if any one day candle close has been done above so 76 levels, you can directly make a long entry, guys. And this stock is going to be one of the investment click in my portfolio. So come, let's move on to the next stock. And our existing members would have known that based upon happy traders zone, so our minimum target would be so more than the risk what we have been taking for the particular trade. So at least 1 is to 1.25, that's what's our risk reward ratio management. And that's a minimal one, and maximum we are going with 1 is to 3. And if you are picking the stock based on the institution's concept, so 1 is to 5 or 1 is to 10 also we are expecting, and we have been holding the stock. So now let us move on to the Godfrey Philip. So this is another the click for the investment as well as the swing trade. So if you see here, so for a longer period there is a consolidation, and the if you see here from 2015 till 2021, around 5 6 years, there is a pattern formation, and finally the pattern is about to break out by this week, guys. So this is the outlook about Godfrey Philip. If you see here, we have a one resistance line. If any one day candle close has been done above this level, it's 1 3, yeah. So 1380, 1380 above any one candle close has been done here. You can make the long entry, and we can hold on for the target of around so the previous high, guys, the previous swing high was around yeah. So 1575 you can expect. So if you ask me, it didn't go beyond that. So normally, based upon this pattern formation, our target should have to be on 2000. But for the safer side, I am giving this 1570 as your target. And beyond this level, so we can have the target second target for around 1800 to 1000, 2000. So later on, I will update you the so target, guys. Also you can ping me in YouTube videos. Also you can connect me with the Telegram channel for the further updates. So yeah. And regarding the volume, we don't have the quite ultimate volume comparing to this 4 days, but we have a genuine volume, guys. So based upon the tomorrow's breakout, we can make the long entry. So our next click is on the UPL. If you see UPL, yeah. So there is a falling wedge pattern, and finally the pattern is about to break out. So there are many reasons, guys, behind this trade, but I would like to say only with this pattern, so which will be much easier for the even a newbie guys as well. So here we have 1 2 3 rejections, and finally so it also take rejection at a lower time frame by today. And on the bottom side we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 rejections, guys. 6 rejections. And also regarding the volume, we don't have a quite ultimate volume, but on the buy side we having a very good volume. And further that there is a long time of consolidations, yeah, exactly. If you see here, from here to here we have a rally. So further that we having a consolidation, and here we are about the consolidation phase is about to break out. So here it didn't provide the breakout, but higher the chances this time it will provide the breakout of this level. So once any one day time frame close has been done above this level, So around 750 or 755 can make the long entry. So you no need to worry about this level, since this level will be very easy for now to breach. So I hope there are multiple reasons behind this trade. So due to time constraints, I'm going further without saying the everything. Yeah, okay, now let us move on to the next stock. So the next one is on the Gravita India. If you see here today's move, so the move was nearly 7%, around a 6.5% move. And if you see here, so it's a very good stock. Why? Because either within a day, also we can expect the within a day also we can expect the target. Why? Because if you see here, so this is a 12% move, 13% bullish candle, and it's a 11% bullish candle. And if you see here, so there are the many big momentum candles in the bullish direction. So higher the chances. So if the price breaks today's high, higher the chances the price can give the rally. So it's going on the triangle pattern, and also as per the theoretical triangle pattern, the breakout also done. So we can hold on for the moment. So if this current day's high has been taken, you can make the long entry with the stop loss of current day's low, guys. And if you ask me, so the target regarding the stop loss was very huge. It was nearly 7%. So if you see here, yes. Okay, if you see here, based upon the 1 hour time frame, here the stock is on set for the further rally movement. So if any 1 hour time frame close has been done below this 2112 or 212, you can exit the trade. So this can be your stop loss. And regarding the target, we can have the target of around 230, guys. So this is for the 1 hour time frame, and based upon the daily time frame, so considering this is what our stop loss, just considering 7%, we can expect the move of around 10%, which is 21 rupees we can expect from this level. So 20 means around 241 to 250. This is what the target we can expect, guys. Yeah. So now let us move on to the next stock, which is GM Beverly. This is not a very good trade. This is, but the thing is, I have took entry today. So I will be sharing the reason why I have took entry on this stock. So if you see here, this stock has been started to give the rallies from the bottom. So here we have a breakout, and finally the stock has been rally. And post that there is a consolidation, and further that post the consolidation there is a ultimate rally, guys. Ultimate rally before the breakout. There is a storm, the calm before the storm. So this is what the calm before the storm. And finally, so after this two bullish candle, so the profit booking is started to happen. And here we have a trend line, and there are the multiple reasons behind this. And based upon this trend line, if you see here, here we have the inside bar candle. And if you see here, we have one two three four candles I has been taken by today. So hence I made a long entry over the 765 levels, and I will be waiting for the target of around 900. Yeah, from 880 to 900 was my target. So based upon the upcoming days movement, I will be holding on to this stock and make the profits. And if you ask me where I will exit, means if any 1 day time frame candle has been closed, okay, so I will be keeping the stop loss of around this candle. So this I was my entry, and this low was my stop loss. And now let us move on to the next one. So yeah, okay. So before that, I would like to say one of the stock. It's a Dabur India. Yeah. So for the today's picks, so this is what the last stock which we are going to discuss. So regarding the Dabur India, if you ask me, so we will be providing the so kind of target which will be more than three times, two times of our risk reward ratio. So if you see here, this is one of the star. So we have provided the more kind of chart analysis and the buy entry points we have been shared. But this is one of the thing which I would like to say. So this is where I have been entered on the stock 591, and I kept the stop loss of this day low, which is a 3.7% stop loss, and my target was around it's a first target which where I have been exited and post after a long period of time our so second target also has been achieved. And if you ask me the risk reward ratio, it's a 2.5. So for the 4% of 3.7% of risk, I have been captured around 10%. So this is what the risk reward ratio which I have been managing. And if you ask me, it's a pure trade. Even if you can find it in our Telegram channel now also. So we have been shared on July 2021. So okay, now happened is happened. So now let us move on to the so current upcoming any buying chance. Do we have any buying chance here? Yes, if you ask me, there is a buying chance in Dabur India. So why? Because if you see here, so this is a support, guys. So here we have one, two, three support, and finally, if you validate this candle formation, it's so Morningstar candle formation has been done, and there is a huge volume, but the volume close was not above this 593 level, so which signs bearishness. But even though if the any one 5 minutes candle has been closed done above 593, you can make the long entry with the stop loss of below this level. And this normally I don't trade with horizontal resistance and okay. So normally I don't trade with the horizontal support. I would prefer the vertical and dynamic support resistance rather than following the horizontal one. If you ask me regarding the so target, so yeah, perfect. So this will be our target, guys. Yeah. So this would be our target. So here we have one, two, and the third time rejections. So and here we have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven times of rejections, guys. And finally there is very good support over this level. And if you see here, we have a gap up. So gap up opening, which says complete bullishness. So which made me attractive to make a long entry on this double India, even though the close has been not that much attractive. So that's all our analysis for today. So we will catch up you in upcoming days. So you can also get joined into our paid course and mentorship course if you are willing, and also you can also take your own time to make a learning, and you can make your own time to understand the market and market news, guys. So happy trading. So please do subscribe and follow us on YouTube as well as on the Telegram. See you. Bye bye.